So we're gonna be taking some Instagram pictures today, and instead of using the 5D that I normally use to shoot, I'm gonna be using my phone. Now, Brandon Wolfell actually posted a video recently of him doing like iPhone photography versus his Nikon DSLR photography, and I thought it would be kind of a cool idea to see what kind of photos I could get using my iPhone 8. It's not even like an iPhone like X with like portrait mode or anything like that. It's just an iPhone 8, and I just wanted to see like what kind of creative photos I could get with this phone instead of using a DSLR for once, because I truly believe that you can be creative no matter what you have to work with. So today we're working with my iPhone 8. So we have a few things here to help the shot a little bit, make it look a little bit more creative, because right now we're not really looking like much. Also, I'm using the front-facing camera for some, but I do want to flip this around and use this side of the camera for a few as well, because that side of the camera is actually way better quality than the front-facing camera. I have this sun catcher, so normally this is used, you put it in a window and it makes rainbows. I'll insert a picture of what I'm talking about. I also have a prism and something kind of funny. Now, I know you may be wondering, why are you holding a chocolate? How is that going to help your shot? Well, first of all, I get to eat the chocolate, and second of all, if you guys watched Brandon's video, which I will link up there, he used some color gels to make the picture look kind of cool. I don't have any of those, but what I do have is this, and I'll show you a little example of what's gonna happen. See, it's all about being innovative, right? Use your garbage. One man's trash is a photographer's treasure, right? So, yeah, let's get to work. I think these are looking really cool. Hope I'm swiping the right way. Obviously not the best like pixel wise, but we're doing our best. So now I'm gonna try some with maybe this and maybe this. The only thing with these is that I'm actually gonna have to hold them on there, so we'll try and make it work. Also, use self-timer to your advantage, my friends. As you guys can tell, it is very like trial and error, and when you are taking a picture of yourself while trying to put something cool in front of the lens, it can be a little bit difficult. But I don't know, I think I got some cool shots, so let me know what you guys think in the description box below. Sorry if this video was like really short. I literally just like didn't even know what else to put in it. If you guys want to see another iPhone photography challenge, just let me know in the comments down below. I know I said I was going to switch it around and use the other side of the camera, but it's just too hard when you're taking pictures of yourself. If someone else is taking pictures of you, I highly suggest using the other side of the camera on your phone. Maybe try out portrait mode if you have that, but I do not. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. If you want more photography type challenges, let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to try some. With all that being said, I will see you guys very soon with a brand new video next week. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys then. Bye!